Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Exp22 Excel Chapter 7 ML2 Employees. We move to the instruction file. So assignment title is the Exp22 Excel Chapter 7 ML2 Employees. If you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses accounting, math, stat, finance, economics and other courses. So we can move to the question number 1. Question number 1 is start Excel, download and open the file name Exp22 Excel Chapter 7 ML2 implies XLS grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the Excel file. We can move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is a column D contains the city each employee works in. You want to display the states. Make sure the data worksheet is active, and in the cell G7 insert the switch function to evaluate the city stored in the cell G7. In this sequence, switch the Des Moines and for Iowa, St. Paul's and Munster and Milwaukee. For use the mix reference for the stair name in the range A2 to A4. Copy the function from G7 to the range GA to G31. And in cell G7 insert the switch function. Select the cell as G7 and type the switch function. Type is equal to and type the switch function. And select the cell is G7. And city column is G7. Commas and apply the type the Des Moines. Type inverted commas, apply the comma and select the cell is A2. Iowa, apply the absolute cell reference and comma, apply the inverted commas and the ST to Paul. Apply the inverted commas and the selected cell is A3. Install the absolute cell reference and the Milwaukee. Apply the inverted commas, Milwaukee, inverted commas and select the cell is A4. Add the absolute cell reference, close bracket, press enter button. And copy the function from G7 to the range GA to G31. Copy the function. So question number 2 is a complete. We can move to the question number 3. So the question number 3 is a column C contains the actual hire date for the employees you want to extract only on the year in a column H. In a cell H7, insert the year function to extract the year from hire date in a cell C7. Copy the function from H7 to the range HA to H31. Insert the year function in cell H7. Go to the Excel worksheet and select the cell is H7. Type is equal to and type the year function. And select the hire date. Press enter. and copy the function from a cell H7 in the range H8 to H31. Copy the function. So question number 3 is complete. We can move to the question number 4. So the question number 4 is the next you want to determine how many years each employee has worked for the company. In a cell I7 insert the JREG function to calculate the year between the first employee hire date and the last date. For the year contained in the cell C2, use the make cell reference appropriately. Insert the JREG function in cell I7 year employee and select the cell as I7 and type is equal to times the JREG function and type the select the cell is hire date apply comma and C2 is last day for year apply the absolute cell reference press F4 button press enter and copy the function from a cell I7 to the range I8 to I31. So question number 4 is complete. We can move to the question number 5. So the question number 5 is insert the weekday function, select the cell as J7 and insert the week function to display the days the week for the first employee hire date. Copy the function from cell J7 to range is J8 to J31. Type is equal to and type the weekday function and select the cell is hire date C7 close bracket press enter button and copy the function from cell J7 to the range is J8 to J31. Copy the function J7 to J31. So question number 5 is complete. We can move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is the value returned in the range J7 to J31 are a whole number. You want to display the result as the actual weekday names. Format the range J7 to J31 as the custom name format TTD. Copy the custom name and apply the J7 to J31. Select the range, already selected the range J7 to J31 and apply the custom number format. Go to the home tab and go to the number group, click the custom number and paste the custom number, click OK. So apply the custom number format. Question number 6 is complete. We can move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is employees are scheduled for a 6-month review based their hiring month. In a cell K7, insert the immediate function to identify the month that the 6th month from the first employee hire date. Copy the function to the range K8 to K31. Go to the A cell and insert the immediate function to identify the month that the 6th month from the first employee hire date. Type is equal to and type the immediate function, and the selected cell is C7 hire date, comma and 6 close bracket, press enter button. Copy the function in the range K8 to K31. Copy the function. So question number 7 is a complete. We can move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is in a cell L7, insert the if function to enter the bonus based on the performance score for the first employee. Use the respective score stored in a cell E2, E3, E4. Individual logical test. Use the respective bonus F2, F3 and F4. Return the correct bonus. If the non-logical test is true, the result should be 0. Use the mixed references. Efficiently copy the function to the range L8 to L31. Insert the if function in the cell L7. Select the cell is L7 and type is equal to type the if function. And select the cell is performance score F7 greater than is equal to, and select the cell is E2 series F4 comma and press the performance score bonus column F2, press the absolute cell reference F2 comma and function the F7 greater than is equal to E3 in a cell E3, press F4 function, press the comma, the F7. Select the cell is F7 less than E3, E2, F4 and close bracket, comma, and select cell is F3. F3, the absolute cell reference and function and click F7 is equal to E4, press F4 and F7 greater than cell E3. Make it apply a comma and select the cell is F4 greater than E4, 4 button, comma, inverted comma, 0 and close bracket, press enter button. Press enter the 2000 result and copy the function to the range L8 to L31. Copy the function L8 to L31. So question number 8 is complete. We can move to the next question. It's question number 9. So question number 9 is in a cell M7 nested and function with an if function. If the job title is representative and the salary is less than minimum representative salary in a cell C3, multiply the salary by 2% in a cell C4. If the both conditions are not met, return the 0. Use the mixed reference to the cell C3 and C4. Copy the function M7 to the range M8 to M31. Insert the if and nested function. Go to the cell is M7, type is equal to and type the if function and open the if function. Logical test is a type and function and select the cell is B7, title B7 and type is equal to type inverted commas and representative. Copy the representative and apply the inverted commas, apply comma and select the cell is E7, salary less than C3. Apply the absolute cell reference. So value if true box is a less than number minimum representative, multiply salary the salary by 2% cell C4. If the both condition are not, return the 0. Use the mixed reference C3 and C4. E7 salary multiply by C4. C4 is a equality adjust, apply the absolute reference and value if false is 0. Click OK. Press F4 button, enter and copy the function from a cell M7 to the range M8 to M31. So question number 9 is complete. We can move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is in a cell and 7 insert the FE function. Use the variable to the range N2 to N4. FE argument the rate APR divided by 12 months in a year and the number of payment period is the number of year multiplied by 12 months is the year. Use the mixed reference is the appreciating. Make sure the function is returned positive result. Insert the FV function in cell and 7. Select the cell is then 7 and type the is equal to and type FV function. Open the FV function and rate is rate or APR divided by the 12 month in a year, and the number of payment period is the number of year multiplied by 12 month in year. So the rate is a N2 N2 by the absolute reference divided by month, and NAPR is the number of payment period, the number of year multiplied by 12 month in a year. So NAPR is a N3 number of years, press F4 button, multiply by 12, and PMT is the number of year multiplied by month. PMT is equal minus type of minus and N4, press F4 button, absolute reference, multiply by E7. Click OK. So copy the function to the range N8 to N31. So question number 10 is complete. We can move to the question number 11. Question number 11 is you want to display the number of employees who earned each bonus level in the range G2 to G4. In a cell G2, insert the counter function that the count the number is bonus is the range L7 to L31. Using the mix reference, use the bonus in the cell F2 as the criteria. Copy the function to the range G3 to G4 and preserve border in the cell G4. In a cell G2 is the counter function. Go to the Excel worksheet and go to the cell is G2 employees column, and type is equal to type the counter function. Open the counter function and the bonus in the range L7 to L31. Using the mix reference, choose the bonus in the cell F2 as the criteria. Range is L7 to L31. Bonus column and apply the absolute reference, press F4 button, and criteria is 3000. Click OK and copy the function G3 to G4. Preserve the border in the cell G4. Copy the function G3 to G4 and click autofill option. Click fill without formatting. So question number 11 is complete. We can move to the question number 12. Question number 12 is next you want to calculate the total bonus In a cell H2, insert the sum function that calculate the total of the 3000 bonus in the range L7 to L31 using the make cell reference. Use the bonus in the cell F2 as the criteria. Copy the function range H3 to H4, preserve border in the cell H4. Insert the sum function. Go to the Excel worksheet and insert the sum function in the cell H2. Select the cell is H2. Sum function calculate the total 3000 bonus in the range is L7 to L31 using the mix reference. Type is equal to and type the sum function. Open the sum function box and the bonus in the range is L7 to L31. Go to the bonus column L7 to L31. Apply the absolute cell reference. Press F4 button. Use the bonus in cell F2 is criteria. Copy the function H3 to H4. Criteria is 3000 and click OK. So copy the function H3 to H4, preserve border in the cell H4. Criteria is F2. Click OK and copy the function and preserve border in cell H4. Click autofill, click a fill without a formatting and open the dialog box and criteria is F2 bonus. Click OK and copy the formula. Click autofill option, click fill without a formatting.